first and foremost, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go to the properties of my Dragonfly, go to save, and make sure that I've saved a copy of my settings, right? I want to make sure that my settings are saved and all that stuff is good, and I can call it Dragonfly test video save. Okay, cool. So make sure I have saved the template. Whatever settings I've got, I want to make sure I pick up from there. So now my actual EA is actually saved. Dragonfly test, download that, save. Obviously, we can't have any marks there, so I'm going to hit OK. All that is off now. It's off the screen. Cool. Now my EA is saved. Next, I'm going to come up here and make sure I've also saved my template. So my template being something, you can right click on the chart and find it there. But I'm going to go here, save template. Okay. I'm going to make sure this is called Dragonfly. So any settings that I have here, I've also got saved. And if I ever want to pull back up that template, I can do that as well. So if it's saved, already exists, you want to replace it? No, in my case, because I already have my stuff saved. So I'm going to hit no, but you guys should hit yes. Cool. Hit save. Oops, no, cancel. Last but not least, and this one is something I learned really late in my trading career, but I have found to be extremely helpful. So I'm going to again pull this up. I don't know how much of it you guys can see because I'm recording this from my VPN, so it's a little janky. I apologize. I'll pull that up. Right here, you're going to see something that says default usually. This was probably something I was testing a while back. Cool. And I'm going to click on it. I'm going to make sure I've saved this set of whatever charts I have open as well. I'm going to go here, left click, go to save or save as. I'm going to go to save as, pull this onto view, and I'm going to call this Dragonfly. Okay, if I can spell, and I'm going to hit OK. So now I also have that saved. So if I ever want to shut this off, and let's say I do, I can go ahead and shut down my platform, reboot my VPS and everything else I want to do. Not only is my MT5 cleaned up, but also everything that I really care about is saved. Now I can't speak for other EAs, but I do believe for the most part, if it's built really well, this will pick back up any positions that you might have. It will pick them all back up as you want for normal. So not about with me. This is a baby new account to kind of give you an idea. This is our Dragonfly. Obviously we have older account, which I'll pull up the results for here shortly. But the same thing here, right? If I want to save everything, all I'm going to do is make sure first step is to clean out my logs. Second step is to save my settings on my EA. Third step is to save my template. And last step is to close that, save and make sure that this is saved as default. In this case, I'll call this also Dragonfly. So this way, all these charts and everything that I've got open are working. So really quick, easy, painless video. To give you an idea, this is our Dragonfly account from January 2025 to the current date. Let that load and everything in between. This is about how she had done since March of last year. We didn't list it when we first started it, about halfway through March. You can kind of see the bigger months, the low months, the not very much months. I think December was barely a break-even month, barely after fees and everything. But this is how it's been performing. It's picking back up. It was a little slow there for April and May, but this is our Dragonfly. So I wanted to make this video open for my community, but also thought, hey, what the heck? I think there's a lot of people on the internet who are looking for a way to clean up their MT5 and or learn how to save everything before they go ahead and delete stuff. So hopefully this video helps you. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or want me to make another video like this, make sure you make a comment down below. And otherwise, happy trading, take care, and God bless.